Hello and welcome to the 4th episode of my Heart Gold Soul Silver boss playthrough. And this is against Morty, who uses ghost types, and this is my 4th attempt at trying to beat him. I lost the first 2 times. I won the 3rd time, but it was like half an hour long, so there's no point of loading this. So this is my 4th attempt against Morty. I started with the Ghastly, which will always heavily use Curse, which has to be faster than you. I'll bite it to knock it out. Now, this gets annoying. This Ghastly type is something there. Curse will take like 25%. Look at that! It knocks you out in 4 hits guaranteed, so just switch out. Okay, something else going now because my Crocodile is at level 26, which is a very high level. Shouldn't really be that high level because I've accidentally claimed it a little bit too much. We won't be getting a lot of experience for a while, I'm guessing. Some more news. My Sandslash has evolved, which my Sandslash has evolved into Sandslash even, which is always quite nice. I do like it. Just sing an active wall again and knock out this stupid Gengar. Now this is annoying, it will hurt. Look at this. That hurts, man. Why do you, I don't know why I use headbutts. Apologies for that. Okay, I'm not risking it, I'm just sending out my favourite thing. Just try and delay it a little bit. See look, Shadow Ball doesn't affect normal types. That's a good thing, if you have any normal types, send them in. Just get them, chuck them in. You know, they'll be brilliant against Morty. They will start from using his big attack like Shadow Ball, Shadow Claw, things like that. Just if they have a psychic type move like Togepi should if you train her. You know, essentially, Moonlook will not allow you, means you can't switch out, so you need to totally put a stay in until it dies, which it now has. Sucker Punch, I didn't know Sucker Punch would go for Pokemon. I could have sworn you seeded 13 for my series. Oh well, but carrying on. Aquavor, let's get rid of this bastard now, come on. Come on. No, don't. Thank you. Right. Oh yeah, I have my Shell Bell on Aquavor, because that's a nice item to have. Moonlook, so now Crocodile can't escape. That's a bit of a worry, so if it's not town then no, it's screwed, I'm screwed basically, because maybe that's like level 22. The Sandslash, Pidgeotto, and then Bellsprout was at level 21. Should have evolved, but it got knocked out. There goes Gengar, and we got a lot of experience. We got 1,017 experience making out that Gengar. And if I take Aquavor, it'll be level 27, so it's a little bit more striking than the others. Haunter Max, level 21, quite easy to boost, just give it a nice bite. Appetite to sing to sleep, of course. Just nice and easy. So, well, and finally, it's another Haunter, but this time at level 23. So yeah. And so some Moonlook mean I wasn't really going to switch out anyway, knowing that I can probably KO you in one hit. Which, no I didn't. That annoys me. That was really annoying. Oh, fuck you. Seriously. Fuck you. That was not polite. Okay, I'll do it again. I'll do it again. Oh, fuck. Seriously, what a dickhead. Alright, I'll ice fan you. How about that? Yeah, what now? Critical hit. Yeah, you're frozen, bitch. Well, so much for that. Sucker Punch didn't do much. Bite, just knocked it out. well done Aquaville, you've basically taken a look out this team single-handedly. And that's Morty. Actually for Gym Bash. And that should be it for this episode, so thanks for watching and goodbye.